And Eta is moving away from the coast of Belize and already beginning to spread rain and gusty winds to the Cayman Islands as it is moving to the north-northeast at 7 miles an hour. It is anticipated to re-intensify back into a tropical storm and move near or across the Cayman Islands, where we are seeing tropical storm warnings are in effect, tropical storm watches now in effect for Cuba, and we will likely see some watches and warnings issued here for South Florida later today because we are in that cone. So first, Eta will move across parts of the Cayman Islands and Cuba late tomorrow into Sunday morning, and then the key is when will it take that turn, as it's going to be steered a little bit more to the northwest heading into Sunday and into Monday. That's the time frame when we are anticipating the likelihood of tropical storm conditions here in South Florida and for parts of the Bahamas, and then it's going to continue to move westward into the eastern Gulf of Mexico. Many of the models really coming together here, indicating that northeast track and then lifting more to the north across Cuba and then turning to the west. But again, the question is the timing of that turn. But either way, we are expecting very rainy and windy conditions because it is likely going to be a large tropical system, and you can see all that deep tropical moisture is indeed right smack over us heading into late weekend, early next week. We could even still be dealing with this as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday due to the moisture tail, even if it starts to move into the eastern Gulf of Mexico. Rainfall totals forecast ranging from 5 to 10 inches this weekend through early next week. The ground is already saturated, and hence a flood watch goes into effect for Palm Beach, Broward, Miami-Dade counties tonight through Tuesday evening due to the potential for widespread severe flooding. And in addition, the wind, that is the other factor. So the wind's already increasing. The wind advisory goes into effect 7 p.m. this evening through tomorrow morning, as we already see those east winds about 20-25 miles an hour, gusts to 35 miles an hour. So again, in for a wet and windy weekend. Even a few tornadoes can't be ruled out. Very possible. Flooding risk is rising, especially Sunday into early next week, and it's more and more likely that we'll be dealing with tropical storm force winds, or at the minimum tropical storm force gusts across our area. Right now, as we look from our Biscayne Bay camera, we're seeing the clouds, and because of the wind, it's carrying a few showers here and there. These are fast-moving showers across parts of Broward County. We've had some rain and sunrise, and also still some rain around Pembroke Pines. Miami Lakes dealing with some wet weather, as well as parts of downtown Miami, Little Haiti, and also portions of Cutler Bay and Kendall, and down across Big Pine Key. The wind has already started to build 16 to 18 miles an hour out of the east, northeast. The gusts as high as 25 to 26 miles an hour, and those winds will only continue to increase throughout the weekend. It'll be blustery at times. It's warm out there with a low 80s and highs right around 84 today. Hang on to the umbrella. Gusty showers on and off again today, but small craft advisory is in effect. Very important to note. Hazardous boating and beach conditions through the weekend, so choppy to rough, especially as we head into Saturday and Sunday. It's just not going to be safe to do any of those. Tonight, windy showers, heavy downpours. Again, the rain chance will increase as we head into the weekend. So tomorrow, we're going to continue to monitor what's going on with the forecast models and also see what the hurricane hunters find today. Depending on that, tomorrow will be our final day for any preparations, because keep in mind, with the potential for tropical storm force winds, we could see down trees, down power lines, and power outages. So we have to plan for that and prepare. Sunday is when weather conditions would deteriorate from the Keys and then northward. So Sunday into Monday, likely the worst of the weather, of course, all depending on Eta's eventual track and intensity. But for now, preparing for heavy rain, flooding, and strong damaging winds.